how to fix glitches and bugs with your Facebook application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix glitches and bugs with your Facebook application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is tap and hold on to your Facebook application icon and then click onto this app info option that appears. Now this will lead you to the settings of your mobile device, and in the settings you will need to go to the storage usage. Now under storage usage, click onto this clear cache option. Now once you have successfully cleared the cache, and even if your issue does not resolve, you have different methods that you can try one by one. So the first method is that you can click onto this force stop button and then again click onto this force stop button again and then relaunch the application. Then even if this does not work, you can try rebooting your mobile device or also uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook application, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.